drivers clocking out at the end of the day. Their route home can still work for them and your business. Meet Driving Home Mode in Onde Driver app. It's easy to set up. Drivers can simply tap the Driving Home icon on their main screen, flip the toggle on, and enter their home address. All done. Now the feature is ready to go whenever they need it. When a driver is almost ready to call it a day, they can tap the Driving Home Mode icon to only receive orders with drop-offs along their route home. No frustrating detours, just more earning opportunities on a trip they were already making. For drivers, it means extra income without extending their shift. For businesses, more active drivers, better coverage, and more completed rides. Let drivers earn on the way home with Onde Driver app.